Today, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from muted accounts on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you've muted someone before and now want their posts and replies back in your feed, this guide will walk you through exactly how to find the muted accounts list and unmute the account you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed in to the account where the muted user is saved. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This opens up the full menu with extra account settings and privacy options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the controls for your account, safety, and content preferences. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains the options for managing what you see, who can contact you, and which accounts you have muted or blocked. Now look for Mute and Block and click it. This will take you to the area where you can manage muted and blocked accounts all in one place. After that, click Muted Accounts. Here you'll see the full list of accounts that you've muted on X. Find the account you want to restore, then click the unmute icon next to that account. Once you do that, the account will be removed from your muted list and their content can start appearing in your feed again. And that's it. You've successfully removed an account from muted accounts on x.com. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides, just like this. Thanks for watching.